Wagging tail means a happy dog, or does it? Fiction. Dogs wag their tails for all sorts of reasons.
Mr. Quizler!
Welcome to Mr. Quizler. Today we're sniffing out the truth in fact or fiction, dogs. There are 33 questions ahead, and you've got 5 seconds to decide. Fact or fiction? Think you know dogs inside out? Let's start with the easy ones. Could they have a hidden third eyelid? True or false? Fact. That secret extra eyelid called the nictitating membrane helps keep their eyes moist and protected. Pretty cool, huh? Picture this. You toss a dog into the water. Will it instantly doggy paddle? Fiction. Some breeds are born swimmers, but others, like bulldogs, sink faster than a rock. So nope, not all dogs are built for the water. You love hugging your dog, but does your dog love it too? Yes or no? Fiction. While some dogs tolerate hugs, many actually find them stressful. It's like being trapped. Do dogs live in an old school black and white movie? What do you think? Fiction. Dogs actually see in color, just fewer shades than humans. Think blue and yellow, but no red-green. Dogs and wolves, long-lost twins or just distant cousins? Fact. Modern dogs didn't evolve from today's wolves, but share ancestry with an extinct wolf species. Talk about a prehistoric glow-up. Is training a senior dog just a lost cause? Fact or fiction? Fiction. Dogs of all ages can learn. It's all about patience, practice, and plenty of treats. Ever caught your dog digging like it's on a treasure hunt? Instinct or just mischief? Fact. Digging is built into many breeds. It's how they hide food, stay cool, or just entertain themselves. A 2-year-old dog is basically 14 in human years. Sounds legit. Fiction. That 7-year rule is a myth. Aging depends on the breed, with big dogs aging faster than small ones. Just one tiny piece won't hurt. Or will it? True or false? Fiction. Even small amounts of chocolate contain theobromine, which is super toxic for dogs. No sharing. Would you rather like this video or eat a whole bowl of dog kibble for breakfast? No cheating. Tell us in the comments below. Time for the medium level. Can your pup outsmart a toddler? What's your call? Fact. Dogs can understand around 250 words. Basically, they think like a 2-year-old human. Ever wondered why your dog's nose is always wet? Smart design or just slobbery? Fact. That wetness helps trap scent particles, making their sniffing skills off the charts. Yawning means bedtime, right? Or could it mean something else? Fiction. Dogs yawn when they're excited, nervous, or even mimicking their humans. It's contagious. Doggy breath. Just part of the deal. What do you think? Fiction. Stinky breath isn't normal. It could mean dental trouble, so regular checkups are a must. Can dogs move their ears on command? Fact or fiction? Fact. Dogs have about 18 muscles in their ears, helping them express emotions and hear better. Feeling stressed? Could a dog be the ultimate relaxation hack? Fact: petting a dog releases oxytocin, lowering stress and even improving heart health. Instant mood booster. Are dogs really colorblind, or is that a myth? What's your call? Fact: they see fewer colors than us, but can still distinguish blue and yellow. Not bad for a colorblind pup. Alpha status is everything in training, or is it? Fact or fiction? Fiction. The dominance theory is outdated. Positive reinforcement is the real way to train a dog. Can garlic keep your pup pest-free? Truth or dangerous myth? Fiction. Garlic is actually toxic to dogs. It won't keep fleas away, but it might make your pup sick. Ever heard a dog's mouth is cleaner than yours? Is it a fact or just a gross myth? Fiction. Dogs' mouths are full of bacteria and some can even be harmful to humans. No sharing kisses. Can you name this dog breed? Only the top 1% can. Drop your best guess in the comments. Let's turn the heat up. Here's the hard level. Should your dog be on a raw meat diet just like its wild ancestors? Fiction. Domestic dogs have adapted to digest grains and veggies, unlike their wolf relatives. Ever seen your dog twitch in its sleep? Could it be dreaming? Fact. Dogs experience REM sleep, meaning they dream just like humans, probably about chasing squirrels. Cold, wet noses equals healthy, dry noses equals sick. True or a total myth? Fiction. Nose temperature changes throughout the day. It's not a reliable sign of illness. Can newborn pups hear their first barks? What do you think? Fact. Puppies are born completely deaf and don't develop hearing for about 2 weeks. Cheetahs are the fastest, but could a dog outrun them? Fact or fiction? Fact. Over long distances, dogs have better endurance and can outrun a cheetah in a marathon. That guilty look, real shame or just an act? What's your verdict? Fiction. Dogs don't feel guilt, they just react to your tone and body language. Ever noticed your dog waiting at the door right when you get home? Do dogs actually understand time? Fact. Dogs can sense routines and time passing, often predicting events like mealtime or your return home. Clock watching pups. Just like humans, could dogs be righties or lefties? What's your guess? Fact. Some dogs show a clear paw preference. Try giving yours a toy and see which paw it uses first. Fingerprints are unique, but what about dog noses? Fact or myth? Fact. A dog's nose print is as unique as a human fingerprint. No two are the same. Imagine doggy ID cards. If it's good for you, it must be fine for dogs too, right? Fact or fiction? Fiction. Some human foods are safe, but many like chocolate, grapes, and onions can be dangerous. Always double check before sharing. Can you guess what this pup is chewing on? Only real dog lovers get this right. Answer: a Coke bottle. That's a wrap on Fact or Fiction. Dogs, how did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who's the real dog expert. A new challenge is on the way. Until then, keep those tails wagging.